Let's take a look at two different outdoor lighting options and how they actually work really well together. First is the Malibu low voltage pathway lights. These are classic 10-watt halogen fixtures that give off a soft 2700K warm glow. They're ideal for lining walkways, driveways, or garden paths. The bronze finish feels sturdy and traditional, and they give that timeless, cozy lighting effect that the halogen is known for. Just remember, because they're halogen, the bulbs will eventually need replacing, but that warm tone is hard to beat. Now, let's look at the SUNVIE 12-watt low-voltage LED in-ground lights. These lights sit flush to the ground and put out a much brighter, more focused beam. They're perfect for highlighting trees, fences, or architectural details. They're waterproof, they're compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, and include wire connectors to make the installation easy. So here's where the thing gets interesting. When you use both together, the Malibu pathway lights give you the nice, charming glow that guides your steps and sets the atmosphere, while the SUNVIE in-ground lights add the depth and drama by accenting focal points in your yard. From a distance, the pathway looks inviting, and then the accent lights really make your landscaping pop.